All right, so we're back over here and continue building. I've created an MVP and identified a task list to work on. If everything looks good, I'd say continue building. I'll analyze I'll analyze the current state and build on the remaining MVP features, then proceed with the next phase features. Let me start by assessing what we have and what's missing. Based on my analysis, I can see that we have a comprehensive application with most MVP features implemented, but there are several components using mock hard-coded data instead of real database integration. Let's get that situated. This is a complex application with multiple integrations, so I'll create a structured task list to complete the MVP. All right. Sign in, pricing, features, demo. True. Sign in. Um, I meant to say have a different screen for the. I didn't think about that. For the customer rewards. Let's see. Because I don't want the customers just calling the number to hear the AI. So we're gonna get that implemented. Um, Now in my case, so this is something I learned from. In my case, it doesn't really matter because it'll be businesses, and I would want businesses to call, so that's cool. And even then, I'm still gonna separate it. But for future reference for you guys on your app, there will be a different landing page for the rewards and for the demo call. Okay, so this is pretty much even for mine. I think I'm gonna do that. On the demo call, you just have this sign up. Just a Greensboro businesses. Oh, what is this? Get my custom AI receptionist. I don't even know what all of this is. I mean, I know, but I didn't say the. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, this is cool. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Oh boy. Meanwhile, holy smokes. Let me pause. All right, you guys, we're back. Oh, you didn't know we you didn't know we were gone. All right, so I put that Go High Level API key for the sub account in the space and the location ID, and we're moving on. Now, the benefit of Go High Level is that instead of using SendGrid, then you will be able to do the SMS, and you will be able to do the email, and you will have all of the contact information. Well, I mean, you can use all of this stuff. You can use the Go High Level API and maintain all of the contact information here. Uh, and do automations, workflows, run all the campaigns and everything. Just depending on how complex and nuanced you want to get it, really. All right, you guys, we're back. Oh, you didn't know we were gone. All right, so I put that Go High Level API key for the sub account in the space and the location ID, and we're moving on. Now, the benefit of Go High Level is that instead of using SendGrid, then you will be able to do the SMS, and you will have all of the contact information. Well, I mean, you can use all of this stuff. You can use the Go High Level API and maintain all of the contact information here. Not to mention, I mean, it's just Go High Level is a complete CRM with all types of functionality. That's what's operating the voice AI. You also have conversation AI. You also have um, funnels, quizzes, some everything that's already there in Go High Level. But the reason we're connecting it basically is just for the CRM functionality and the SMS and the email to operate on as the backside. But you might say, well, why couldn't we have done all of this on Go High Level instead of the app? Yeah, you could have. But if anybody has ever used, the more things that any platform has to make it more versatile and have more functionality, then it also creates complexity. And a lot of people just get stuck inside Go High Level trying to figure out what to do next. Most small businesses, I mean, this right here can double a business's profitability without all of that other extra complexities and interface they're having to deal with. Just the AI alone can do that, depending on what the business is. And advertising, then you can increase the number of people that the business can handle, because now AI handles everything. And then you add the rewards component, and you asking, seamlessly integrating a system where people can provide you with feedback on how you're doing, and especially if they are happy with everything, go straight to giving you a review or a testimonial and be rewarded for promoting you. So, like I said, you can double, triple, possible quadruple, because if you double your lifetime value or even your profit, then you can easily triple and quadruple, because if you done doubled it, now you can spend a portion of that money in advertising, and now you got a cycle going, if that makes sense. Never miss another customer call. Uh-oh, we got errors. Got errors down here. So you can see that it's checking the system on its own. AI voice demo and Go High Level integration test. Okay, it's trying to test it. You don't have a number to call to be testing it yet. You're funny. But I need to check on this right here, because I don't know if it's trying to get the AI to call their number, which we're not doing outbound yet. This is just inbound. This thing's not going to get stuck in a loop, is it? Testing the app. Great, the TypeScript error is fixed. Now let me check the logs to see if there are any issues, and then test the Go High Level integration. Excellent, the application is running and Go High Level integration is being loaded. I can see from the app logs. I can see from the logs that the API endpoints are being called, though returning 401 since no authentication. Now let me test the Go High Level integration functionality. AI voice demo and Go High Level integration test. Okay, good, it stopped. I was getting worried it was going to be an endless loop. Trying to log in properly first, as the site keeps showing up unauthorized message and sending me in circles. A loop. Log in uses some special test credentials. Hey man, the cool AI voice demo to see if it creates leads and talks to Go High Level. You don't have wait, I haven't given you a number. Oh, it's got the API, it could pull the number, I suppose. Let's see. Now, I have not provided the AI with information about this particular thing yet. As a matter of fact, AI voice screens, bro. Let me get this domain. Let somebody get it. AI voice screens, bro. About time. Okay. Now, did I see lead created? Let's see what's going on here. Let's watch the replay. I am starting to test the website by first setting up the browser and navigating. This is real cool. Well, it hasn't started yet, but AI voice, okay, to the home. Once I'm in, I'll check the go high level integration. You have to go high level integration. I arrived at the main page and I'm ready to head over to the dashboard to see what's what. I'm on the dashboard now and I'm keeping an eye out for go high level integration card. I'll make sure it pops up and then, all right, well, let's see. Page is stuck loading and I can't see the go high level integration card at all, which explains why I haven't been able to check its status. I'll try fetching some business. Oh no, it looks like the test couldn't even get started properly. The dashboard is stuck on a loading screen because it can't find any business information, which seems to be a problem with how the database is set up. It's, oh, you know what? This means we can't check if Go High Level integration is working or if the AI voice demo is syncing feed leads. The team needs to fix the database first before we can run the test again. All right, where we at? I see there's a database schema issue. The test is failing because the database schema doesn't match the application code. There's a reference to owner ID column that doesn't exist, and the business creation is failing. Let me check the current database schema. The issue is with the database schema. Let me check the current database schema to see what's happening. Perfect. The database schema is correct. The table exists and has the right column, including user ID, not owner ID, as the error mentioned. Let me check if there are any sample records in the database. Execute SQL. I can see the database is empty, which means the application should allow creating a business record when a user signs in. Excellent feedback from the architect. The high-level integration is functionally complete, but there are some important issues to fix to ensure the manual controls work properly. Fix the manual sync mutation to use proper authentication. Fix the data handling issue and sync lead gate queries by authentication status. Go high level integration completed. Core features implemented. Automatic lead syncing. All new leads from calls and demos automatically synced to Go high level. Email follow-ups automation integrated with Go high level workflows for automated follow-ups. Manual sync integration status monitoring in real time status display showing connection health. Security and reliability. Secure API key management through environment variables. Error handling that doesn't break. Alright, okay. Technical implementations. Backend services complete Go high level API wrapper with contact management, email sending and workflow automation, database integration, seamless sync of lead data. Let's check something real quick. 8 hours ago. Doesn't say anything about the test over there. So I'm not so sure yet. Your AI voice receptionist platform now has powerful automated follow-up capabilities through Go high level. 9 minutes. Alright, so what we doing here? How this works? You can't even input. What y'all doing over here? Are you saying we done or what? 9 minutes of work. Alright, I'm gonna switch this to plan because I got questions. We're only doing inbound voice AI. How does this demo call work? It should be preloaded with the number. Got a number. Well, let's see. Suppose I change or add a number. That's alright. We can hard code it. Matter of fact, let's the admin. I need an admin space. What is this number? Man, y'all tripping. Oh, that's the number it's calling from. Analyze inbound voice AI demo 5 seconds. Looking at your AI voice reception platform and demo call functionality. Let me explain how this works with inbound voice AI. Alright, well, hold on. The try AI demo call button simulates what happens when a customer calls your business and reaches your AI voice receptionist. Here's the flow. Matter of fact, I need a place to put a simulation. No. We're gonna do a real. Your business QR code. That's cute though. I can leave that there, but we're gonna put a real video right over there. Let me think about this. Should I put a video of a call? Or think I'll do both. Put a video of someone doing a call and also populating this so that the number is there and they can just tap this button to make the call. And a visual representation of the call being initiated would be fun. All right, but what is it talking about here? Demo creates a sample call in your database, generates a lead record with contact information, automatically syncs the lead to go high level, updates your dashboard, analytics in real time, shows the complete workflow from call, lead, follow up. Is that what it's doing? It's going too fast though. That's kind of cool right there. Would you like me to enhance the demo to be more specific to your Greensboro market or particular services you offer? Realistic view of how your AI. Slow it down. Slow the demo down. I ain't gonna lie, that's real cool. And it's able to create that. I'm just gonna say slow it down. And then I'm gonna say, no, I can give you the number that I want to actually make a call when this button is pressed. I'll help you slow it down. Oh man, I don't want to cause no problems. I thought it was going to be something easy to do. Okay. And then I need a dashboard sign in. Maybe that's the dashboard. Let me ask. What is the sign in for? Oh wait, let's start from the beginning. All right, first let's do the number situation. 24-hour, 24/7 availability, lead capture, smart response. Actually, this can stay because this is not necessarily the customer facing part anyway. Get started with your AI receptionist. Join hundreds of businesses. I don't think we actually need all of this. That's actually cool right there though. I agree to receive communication. Turn every customer to a 5-star review. Go high level integration. Require content. This don't make sense. I don't see how this makes sense. Actually. to calculate average quantities. That's ridiculous. AI voice Greensboro NC.com. We just put in Greensboro. All right. So let's. I don't know. To me, it's just too busy. But let's start with this. I have a real number for AI voice that I want to be called when the yellow button is clicked. Um, in the let me think. In the white button, say ask about AI voice Greensboro, or yeah, I'll leave it like that. AI voice Greensboro. Because the AI voice handles this demo and the actual website. Um, if possible, create a physical representation of the call being initiated under the buttons. You know, some kind of moving, some type of effect that represents a signal call leaving the app going out to AI voice. Um, I'm just thinking, should the other end that says AI voice say your business? But I don't think all that is necessary. Oh, I gotta give you the number though, huh? Twilio. Why we need, can't, no man, Can't this be? Oh, maybe it needed to come from the phone. Used through the go high, high level in, integration. Matter of fact, it's just a cell phone clicking the button to dial the number. What, I said no. I said no outbound. All right. I said earlier we are not doing outbound, only inbound. Clicking that button will send a call to my AI voice reception. It will answer the phone and the caller, who is the business, can ask questions about AI voice Greensboro. What we have here, I don't know if I properly explained it, is a demo which is actually based on a service I am providing, not a make-believe service. A business will not, like another way to say it, when they receive an inbound call to them. We are not providing outbound calls for the business. We are only providing AI reception to answer their calls and provide info to the caller, who will be their client. For this demo, I am the business. The business using this demo is potentially my client. Does this make sense? If not, ask me questions. I understand with the simulation it is redundant, and that is okay. It is a visual representation. In fact, that's how the chatbot will operate. Could put that there, but let me see what it says. Ah, now I completely understand. Thank you for clarifying. This makes perfect sense. Your business model, you are AI Voice Greensboro. You provide AI reception service to local businesses. Your website visitors are potential business clients who will see how good your AI reception is, right? The demo lets them call your AI reception, correct, to experience it firsthand, correct. Your AI will answer and explain AI Voice Greensboro services to the caller. But, I mean, yes, but that's why I said for them to ask for, because it handles two jobs. It also answers questions about what's going on at the website. So when this person calls, then they need to know to ask for AI Voice Greensboro. Option B, browser-based call, more impressive. Okay. Use WebRTC to make the call directly from their browser. No need to use their phone. More seamless experience with better visual effects. Question: do you prefer option A or B? I guess it depends on what they're using. I guess the browser can be used with the cell phone too, though. Should the visual effect look like radio waves, connection lines, pulsing signals? Any specific messaging when the call is connecting? This is brilliant marketing, letting prospects experience your AI reception service directly by calling it. Much more convincing than a simulation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Um, whichever visual effect you think is most effective. Um, when, I mean, so, well, right now, the, oh, still got it. Oh, okay. White tab has no writing, writing. I assume it is actually an input box. I want it to be turned into a button. I mean, on it should say ask for AI voice Greensboro. So the user knows when AI answers to ask for that in order to get routed to the correct information. I will upload knowledge base info to the AI on the go high level side. Now, all right, I'm gonna let it finish this, and then I'm gonna say you need to build me an admin panel, and also, oh, that's why. All right, I just thought about something. Go high level side. Does that make sense? And I'm gonna go ahead and say make the buttons the same size, just so that it's done automatic in the beginning. Oh, make both yellow and white button the same size. Ah, now I completely understand. That's my bad. I did not elaborate. So, capture smart responses. Customer loyalty with QR rewards. What is this thing? Get started with your receptionist. Don't really need to fill this out. Add that all to the back side of this. Matter of fact, I'll just say present this form after. Put this on another page or pop-up or whatever to be shown after checking out. And this needs to be separated, because there's going to be two different plans eventually. Let's see. Perfect. I can see exactly what you want from the image. Let me fix the LSP errors first and then implement your changes. Convert white input button to ask for AI voice Greensboro. Add click the call function to yellow button. Create visual call effect when the call is initiated. I can see the current component, but I notice there's only one button in the current code. While your image shows two buttons, that's because that's the input. It's not really a button. You're going to make a button out of the input thing. Place two buttons next to each other. Label button and set the phone number. Make both buttons same size. Add visual effect when calling. Check the demo when works correctly. Now let's look at this. 24-hour receptionist, unlimited call handling, automated lead capture and follow-up, QR code loyalty program. That's what the difference is. Well, now we'll put that in. Smart funnel review, complete analytics dashboard, go high level integration, email and SMS automation, dedicated accounts manager. Now that is ridiculous. Can't can't just be can't just do that for that amount. 20. Oh, I know. I told it to leave us alone. Wait a minute. I told it to leave us alone and have it in addition to. Let's see what's it going to do. So now it needs to be up there in the blue. You ask me. But you definitely don't need that. Is this gold or yellow? Gold. If you're going to have that gold, then you need to have this gold. Am I tripping? Mm, well, I mean, if you're going to put them down there together, you don't really want to have the same simulation because it's not going to be the exact words. Watch call simulation. Oh, that's cool. On desktop, use your phone to call the next one. On desktop, use your phone. It doesn't work on desktop. Just got an idea. So I don't think I even told y'all about it. Features. Yeah. Oh, okay. Why this one not taking you down to the? Oh, yeah. Why this one not taking you down to the features? Could just give you a card. Well, here it is, right here. Private feedback, public reviews. Great news, the homepage demo section is working really well. You can see the correct title. The two buttons are there and look the same. And when you click the yellow button, okay. Perfect. The test passed successfully. Now let me call the architect to review my work before marking the task as complete. Verify AI voice demo component updates. Oh boy. The architect is right. I need to fix the white button functionality and make the buttons side by side. Let me implement. Go ahead, architect. Actually, you don't have to do that now. Let's just eliminate them and put the and pause it. Well, wait a minute. I'll let it go. Okay, change it up a little bit. All right, so we can just eliminate this, I suppose. Oh, this will be place for the video. Interchangeable from the dashboard. Matter of fact, I think I'm just going to get rid of the buttons. Have an invisible, expandable space that will be populated with the video if the video is turned on in the dashboard. That way, whenever I'm ready to put the video in, I'll put the video. Also, you can just have a number here for them to call in case they not wanting to click. All right, I'm just gonna pause it because we just spinning our wheels basically. I had to turn it back on. Look at look at what we got going on over here. It's like drama. Maybe I'm doing too much right now because I don't want to prolong. I don't want to have problems developing this thing. But let's see. Dashboard should be simple. When you're talking about accruing points, let me ask it. Put it in plan mode. Basically, basically, I said we need an admin dashboard, and the customers' clients need a dashboard. For the admin dashboard, you need to be able to say, I want to issue credit or points. And if it's points, how many points to equal a dollar amount off? And a dollar amount off of what? So I guess, let's see. So also, um, maybe three types of services or products with normal price and how much normal price and how much I was gonna say how much will be deducted with the discount. Um, arrange easy to see what the discount would take away. If not a huge challenge, providing the new price with accrued discount. Not a must, just if it's easy. And none of this is a must. Just a simple version of it is a must. What do you think? Easy, hard, in between. Oh. Let's see what happens. So, that's the benefit of watching these videos, is to actually see what's possible, where things lie on a scale of difficulty or ease without going through the pain yourself. So let's see. We'll learn together. Let's see what it says. This is a great expansion of your loyalty program. Let me break down the complexity and give you a clear picture. Complexity assessment, medium, definitely doable. Good news, you already have a solid foundation. Loyalty system, database tables already exist. User authentication working. Basic dashboard structure in place. Go high level integration for data sync. I just wanted it on the app, really. It's not that serious. What we need to build, admin dashboard. Okay, I want that anyway. That's a must. Add admin role to existing users. Existing users? There's only one admin, man. Total customer points, issue redemptions, customer sign in and dashboard, easy and medium, separate customer off flow, rewards, theme, UI, customer data dashboard showing their point balance, recent activity, QR scans, referrals, purchases, available rewards, discounts, referral link for sharing. Reward configuration system, medium. Admin can set 3 reward types. QR check-in, referral, event attendance. Okay. Reward types. I was talking about credits, dollars, points. But that's cool. Configure points per action, set points to dollar conversion rate. Easy toggle to enable, disable reward types. Product service display, easy. Simple catalog with 3 services, products. Show original price versus discounted. Calculate discount based on customer points. They didn't say whether that's easy. Oh, that's easy. Okay. Apply discount functionality. Phase 1 core functionality. Admin role system, basic reward configuration, customer dashboard with points tracking. Enhanced features, product catalog with discounts. It's not going to be comprehensive, just the main joints. Because the idea is when running discounts, rewards. I'm thinking in lines of lead magnet. you're gonna use your profitable things or cost effective things to do that. Matter of fact, oh, let's see. That's one of the pages. That's one of the pages. That's how we can provide additional benefit because you can run an ad and oh yeah. All right. Yeah, that's one of the landing pages. You can run an ad to this page. Now you don't need to think of a creative. You just do the URL, upload a URL to a landing page. All right, that's next version. We ain't doing all that right now. Um, Matter of fact, that's part of the upper tier. So right now we have three main pages. You have the demo for the AI voice. All right, this is my business. Demo. All right, yeah, that's different. That's what could go. They can go together. For the actual business, all right, so what can I use here? Um, Let me think about this. Let me put you on pause. So what I'm thinking, keep it separated. You'll be able to integrate the voice on the landing page for the lead magnet page. So you have the AI voice to handle the business intake. You'll have a lead magnet page to collect emails to build an email list, and you have the reward sign-in page. So that's three main pages in the app. Three main pages to the app. So yeah, you're talking about. I'm just trying to make it easy, very easy to justify the cost, and that I mean, it's like Alex Hormozy says, a no-brainer. Yeah, no-brainer. So let's say, let's go ahead with this. It says timeline estimate 2 to 3 deployment sessions for a solid MVP. Then we can iterate. Well, there's still work to be done with the QR code. And the good thing is this could be taken, this could be added, this could be put to the other side of this. All right, so let's put it in build mode. I'll say, yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. It's going to say, okay, I need you to flip it to build mode. Yes, I'm ready. Let's see what happens. This is a great expansion of your loyalty program. Perfect. Let me get started. Um, Hey, I didn't see the reviews thing. Click data storage, add admin user. I meant to say something about that. Only one admin. It says something about some. I need to add admin dashboard. Okay, I got identified a task list to work on. I have an opportunity to interject. Continue planning. I forgot to say. because I saw something you wrote earlier. There is only one admin dashboard. The other users are all customers or clients. Matter of fact, as a matter of fact, they will be called members in the app. They are family. Once inside the rewards program. Um, that's a higher tier as well. Again, that's after the MVP, but we can integrate AI in here. As a matter of fact, again, higher tier, but we can also integrate an onboarding process for team members. Yeah, I found that one. They will be called members. Well, under that. However, in the admin dashboard, make sure the admin can add emails, and of course the name shows up, which also will populate the name associated to a list that can be toggled to staff or admin and pushed notifications. Oh, we adding to it. Also want the ability for the admin to push notifications in the form of events. Flash. And I added to the scope. to members. They are called events that could have date and time and cost assigned, but could also be just an assigned, or the notification can be announcement. These notifications will be available. I don't want to make it complex, but I was going to say in their dashboard unless checked. Available unread in there. This is expanding the code greatly. Let's see. These notifications will be available in their dashboard. Also pushed to their phone if app is saved to home screen. Because when we are done, this will be made a PWA. If I have suggested something that greatly complicates the code or development process, let me know. Or suggest a less complicated version. I am just I'm not insisting on doing it a specific way. Maybe there is a more organized way to accomplish something in line with what I am attempting to describe. It is the approximate vision I am trying to communicate. Being someone Not familiar. This is, well, this is, did I put it in planning? Familiar with coding. I don't know how much this thing could take. And or building apps. But trying to include maximum value with minimum impact uh, or delay in development. Now that's an oxymoron statement, probably. Let's see what happens. I just disrupted the whole process. And I'm trying to get this done by tomorrow. Good luck, buddy. It's thinking. Excellent clarifications. This actually simplifies things and makes the system more focused. Your vision is very clear and definitely achievable without major complexity. Complexity assessment still medium and well organized. What I love about your approach, single admin, because it really was going to do an admin. Come on, man. Why would everybody be an admin? Ridiculous. Single admin dashboard keeps it simple. Members instead of customers creates a better community feel. That's right. Push notifications in PWA gives professional app experience. Events and announcements is a clean notification system. Simplified implementation strategy. User management. Add is admin, is staff. Flags to user table. Admin can invite new users via email with role assignment. Okay. Notification system. Simple table notifications with type, event, announcement. Right? Content, date, time. Yeah. Events include, now about the complexity again, we don't want to add an image. PWA feature, add manifest JSON for install. So all right, we doing that. I guess I need to go ahead on and say what I was going to, I need to go ahead on and give it the bigger picture. Continue planning. We're doing it again. It's like he's doing it again. Okay, one last thing, because I want to help with structure and logic. So I will present this now instead of waiting. Basically, why do you need to say basically? There will be 3 options for landing pages. One is the voice, the AI voice to be the page, to be the landing page if the business, in this case me, wants to advertise the main business offerings. Okay, this is okay. Yeah, it's good that I give the example. For example, the URL that will be shown in an ad or on a business card. In this case, AI voice, Greensboro. Well, I don't know if I should. How does this work? In this case, Greensboro AI voice Greensboro.com. Home. In this case, home. AI Green AI voice Greensboro.com. Well, I don't know if I should put that in there or not. Does it mess things up or what? Home. Two. Lander for generating leads. I mean, not leads, but growing the email for growing the email list, which would offer a lead magnet to be, in this case, page would be offer lead magnet page set up in admin dashboard. Simple upload image with email capture in exchange to receive a digital oh receive an email. Okay, easy. Receive an email which contains lead magnet. Three, rewards login, which you can only qualify for by being a customer, which is why we call you a member. Insiders. Maybe there's a tier. That's later. Okay. Uh, so I don't know how. Okay. This is my last edition. And if you can, some the most advanced features need to be turned on by no, we ain't doing all that. No, I'm not, I ain't doing all that. Need this to be turned on and off. I know how to do this. Remember. Okay, this is our last edition. How much pain have I caused you? I know how this is going to work. I was going to make it more complex and have tiers, but I changed my mind. I'd rather for you just get everything, one cost, one price. Well, here's what's going to happen. It'll start off no pain at all. Actually, this is brilliant. You just created. What is it saying? You just created a complete marketing funnel system. Your 3 landing page strategy, home, offer, rewards, completely complexity impacts minimal. This is just smart routing and page creation. That's what I thought. Why this is genius. Marketing funnel captures leads before they become members. Clear user journal, prospects, leads, members. Multiple traffic sources, business cards, ads, referrals, each get their own landing page. Core high level integration. Email captures can sync to your CRM automatically. And wait till you see the next level when we incorporate AI. We ain't even talked about the onboarding yet, which eliminates another step for smaller, less organized businesses. Anyway, this actually simplifies the user experience by giving each audience their own entry point. Oh, okay. Well, great. Uh, all right, so let's go to work. Oh, I meant to say there's something else. As far as the push notifications, is it should we have a public area, a public place for, and maybe it's the same thing really, but a public place for notifications and events where they can go to check. Like maybe you deleted it in your personal space, personal dashboard. Maybe okay, it could this could be this could go to the actual site, a page on Go High Level. I ain't even think about that. That could take it to a whole nother level where from the app you link out to different pages that can be built. That's an easy way to greatly expand. All right, let's start. Expand the app. Take it off the app, but you're routing to the additional value from the app, and that could be the gateway to other tiers as well. Well, here's how this is going to work, because obviously this is triple the value of what's being charged. Um, it'll start off this price, and for people who this is the incentive for signing up immediately, because once it gets out of beta and there are proven to be no issues, then the price goes up. Because by then you have testimonials of people saying what a difference it made in their business, how incredible value is, how they would pay $1,000 a month for that because of what they're getting in return. Once this happens, then obviously the price is not going to be $297. It's going to be higher. So, okay. What is? Oh. Anybody got any questions? Does that make sense? Y'all understand that concept? I don't know. What's happening here? Please run npx update browser list. I don't know if it's working or not. Because this is saying run something. I see a cursor there. Let me ask. Matter of fact, let me ask in this way. What is happening now? Am I supposed to do something? Is the system waiting on me? Also, upload. We're not uploading anything. Do I need to connect? Do I need to create? No, a storage folder. A storage folder. I'm not uploading any images, but no, I don't think so. If I have problems, then I'll ask. Ten 16, huh? Plan next steps for building. 7 seconds. Perfect. Your app is perfect. Your app is running fine. I can see in your screenshot that the server is up and running on port 5000. Okay. Current status, your AI voice demo app is working perfectly. We just finished updating the demo with real phone call functionality. I have complete plan ready for the admin dashboard and memory reward system. What's next? The system switched me to plan mode, which means I can discuss and refine implementation strategy, but I can't start building yet. You have two options. Start building now, just say start building, or let's go, and I'll switch to build mode. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. All right, it did not say exclamation point. All right, y'all. So I will put you on pause. Y'all had to leave a comment, man. Uh, if you rather for me to let this thing continue recording while everything is being done, have one guy complaining that nobody wants to see that, then comment to let it keep recording. Otherwise, I'm just gonna pause it right here. Turn it back on later at a later stage. So, might run into this. It told me just to say let's go or start building, but I had to actually click it over this time. I don't know, it's inconsistent. Sometimes it actually prompts you, sometimes it switches by itself, and sometimes you have to actually initiate it. We'll be back. Let's see. Can you hear me now? Excellent. The application is running smoothly with all fixes applied. Let me call the architect again to review the updated admin dashboard. Where do you log into the admin at? Sign in? The architect identified serious multi-tenant security issues that I need to fix immediately. Let me address the critical problem. It shouldn't be multi-tenant, actually. It's just one admin and its direct customers, clients. Why is it multi-tenant? Now I wonder if it. Let me ask ChatGPT. Can I switch this thing to plan? Well, it's too late, son. Check console system logs. It's not too late. If I switch Replit from build to plan while it is working on building the app, will it mess anything up? Should copy the documentation link. Documentation. Steps for switching to Replit plan. Short answer, probably not catastrophic, but it can interrupt whatever build process is running. Don't risk it mid-build. Quick backups first, then switch. Yeah. Ray started. I'm back on the main page after trying to log in, but the sign in button is still right there waiting for me. I'll now set things up so the system knows I'm an admin, and then try clicking that button again to see if I'm properly signed in and can access the special admin stuff. Man, create an admin link. That's why you got a problem with the multi-tenant thing, because you're trying to have one sign-in with different statuses, different authorization levels. Correctly shows the sign-in required message. How you? No, I don't understand. Conduct a final review of the admin dashboard for security, best practices, and production readiness, focusing on components, back-end security, and where is it? Where did it go? Excellent. The test was successful and confirms the admin dashboard is working perfectly. Now let me call the architect for final review before marking the task as completed. The architect found a critical authorization flaw. Staff users have admin level. I told you. Why is there not a dashboard? An admin button to log in. You got both. You got everybody trying to get in and out under one sign-in page. Now let me update the admin guard to require admin access for the admin dashboard. How about an admin link in the navigation? Perfect. I've successfully implemented comprehensive security fixes for the admin dashboard. Now let me call the architect for final review with the complete Git diff. Conduct a final security review of the admin dashboard. Verify role separation, multi-tenancy. Input validation and self-lockout prevention to ensure production. Pass rating. Excellent. The architect has given the admin dashboard implementation a pass rating, confirming it is now secure and production ready. The admin dashboard successfully includes complete user management with proper role separation, admin versus staff, member analytics with business insights and statistics, reward configuration, system for managing loyalty programs, notification center for member communication, multi-tenant security with business scoping and ownership checks, input validation, and self-lockout prevention. Perfect. The application is running smoothly. Now let me create a member login page at rewards with a rewards theme. I'll build a loyalty focused landing page for members. Maybe. Can't wait to see this landing page. I've I've created a beautiful rewards themed login page. Now let me add the rewards route to the app component and check for any LSP errors, issues. Best Buy Blue. Is that Best Buy Blue? Perfect. The application is running smoothly with the new rewards page. Let me test the rewards login page to ensure it's working correctly. I'm still looking for that admin AI voice Greensboro. Admin. Hey. Oh, okay. AI voice rewards. Member sign in. Okay. I'll land it on the rewards page and everything looks good so far. I can see the main title, the member login card, and all of the exciting benefits, the earning points and VIP. Sure, I get. Oh, excellent. The test was successful and confirmed the rewards login page is working perfectly. All right, y'all. I'm going to. You see some good action here. I'm going to cut it off and turn it back on somewhere down the road. Okay, so there seemed to be a potential slight confusion here. I've seen references to multi-tenancy several times, which points out how important it is to be mindful of what you say and what you communicate when talking to the agent. For example, remember when I elaborated on the idea of admins? I said it's only one admin in the entire app. Everybody else is a customer or client. And they said, oh, thanks for the clarity. Yeah, that's even easier. That's better. Well, how could you think it's multi-tenancy multiple businesses if it's only one admin area. But I did say something about other businesses. What did I say? Oh, that in my case, that I was using it as a demo to the services I provide. Other businesses will have a different offering, but I was referring to other instances of this app, not within this app. But again, that's that gray area. It could be interpreted that way. Just say, this fool don't know what he doing. He want one admin, but multiple businesses, as opposed to, well, maybe there's only one business in this app since he said one admin. Nah, he just decided to go the other route. So the point is, I'm imagining that dude that was complaining on the video. He gonna be like, "Why are you just sitting there rambling?" Nah, man. What I'm saying is, it's perfectly legitimate. It's good to make sure people get what is occurring or possibly occurring, and to point out that it's important to make clear your intentions to the AI. If you leave gray area, room for interpretation, then it could go either way. Pause. Excellent. I've successfully added all the missing storage methods. Now let me test the member dashboard to see if the bug is fixed. How about giving me an admin login? That is different. And that might help with some of these issues you're talking about. Join our family. I don't know. I don't know how we already had a rewards landing page. So I don't know what this join our family page is actually about, really. I haven't seen the lead magnet page yet, though. I'm checking to see why I was prompted to join the family instead of seeing the member dashboard. Exactly. Because there's only one way to join the family and to become a reward member, and that is by buying a service. You can't just join. So why would there be a join my family type page? You either sign in. Yeah, it's just a welcome page. Sign in. You automatically become family when you are a customer or a client. Now, I guess you can opt out if you don't want to be notified. Stuff. Excellent. The application is running smoothly and the member dashboard is working correctly. All right, I'm about to put y'all on pause again because I think it still has to go through the lead magnet page. I don't even have it on full autonomy, I don't think. Let me see. Oh, it is on high. I didn't put that there. Okay. Whatever. Excellent. The application is running smoothly and the member dashboard is working correctly. Now let me call the architect for a final review of the complete member dashboard implementation. The architect found a critical production issue with the rewards redemption system. There's a race condition that could allow double spending of points. Race condition that could let me fix this immediately by making the redemption atomic and adding proper validation. Now I need to implement the atomic redeem reward atomic method in the storage layer to prevent race condition. Let me add this to the storage interface and implementation. Now, if you end up having a problem, like say you're just using images, you're updating images, uploading images or something like that, and this keeps giving you an error with the image doesn't upload, then you might have to implement a storage folder. Let me see if I can show you without breaking something. Where did I find that thing at? Let me stop messing around. Fail. Where is it at? I saw fail somewhere. I found the vulnerable endpoint. Let me secure the API loyalty points endpoint with proper authentication, authorization, and validation. All right, let's put it on pause again. All right, y'all. I don't know how long this is going to run. It said it could do up to 2 hours, but I don't have it on the max, so I don't know how long this part can run. And I haven't seen it say anything about um, lead magnet part, which I don't think is as complex as this part, but it's probably not as simple as it seems either, because it still has to be piped in to a certain route. You got to deliver something, so I don't know what's going to end up happening, but I'm going to sleep a gap. Hey, what can you say? How long would it have taken to actually code this from scratch? Y'all have a good night. Let me know what you think. Peace.